our story is called At the Train Station. Welcome to Cambridge Veritas English Fluency podcast channel. Today, Mike and Myra travel by train. Let's listen to their day and learn English together. At the ticket counter.
Hello. Where are you going?
Hello. 2 tickets to London, please.
One way or return?
Return, please.
That's £20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your tickets.
Mike, return means we can go and come back.
Yes, one way means only going.
Good. Let's keep the tickets safe.
Vocabulary. A ticket means paper for travel. Return means go and come back. One way means only go, not come back. Waiting on the platform.
Where is our train?
Look at the board. It says platform 3.
Okay. Let's wait here.
How long until the train comes?
5 minutes.
Good. Let's sit on the bench.
I like watching people in the station.
Me too. So many people with bags.
Platform means place to wait for a train. Board means big sign with train times. A bench means long seat for many people. On the train.
The train is here. Let's get on.
This seat is free. Sit here.
The train is fast. Look outside.
Yes. The trees look like they are running.
I like train travel. It's quiet.
Yes. And comfortable too.
A free seat, an empty seat. Travel means going from one place to another. Comfortable means easy, not difficult, and feels good. Talking on the train.
Myra, what time will we reach London?
The ticket says 2 p.m.
Good. Do you want to read?
Yes, I have a small book.
I want to listen to music.
Okay, but don't make it too loud.
Don't worry, I'll use headphones.
Reach means arrive. Headphones mean small speakers for your ears. Arriving at London.
Myra, look. The city is here.
Yes. The tall buildings are near.
Let's get ready. The train will stop soon.
Take your bag. Don't forget it.
Okay, let's go. Today I learned ticket, return, platform, board, comfortable, reach.
Very good. Repeating new words makes memory strong.
Yes, I like learning while traveling.
See you next time, learners. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this story. If you liked this video, please press the like button and subscribe. Do you want to learn more English with us? Click the link in the description or the first comment to join our English communication program.